have a little rhinestone mirror because it gotta be extra. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Carrie. I make girly glam and slightly ratchet content here online, and today is no exception. I am so excited because this little furry number I ordered offline for $35, and I am just going to say that it's going to be for a upcoming Glamoween video, a get the look, if you will, a recreation of one of the most iconic spooky season girly shows. If you know, you know. If you already know what look I'm going to be giving just by this jacket, comment down below. I'm just so shook because the color is the perfect shade. Like, I was really like giving up online trying to find the right fabric and the right shades. The fact that I found this and for cheap. I can't wait to film this video so I can basically wear this for the rest of the fall and winter season. But yeah, I'm excited for this vlog. We'll see exactly what happens. I'm gonna be cranking out some content in the next hour, and then tomorrow I have my spa day, my monthly spa day at the med spa, so I'm going to get my facial and my BBL, non-invasive. I keep calling it that. It's not a BBL, it's a sculpture treatment. So this will be treatment number 3 for my stomach so we can get slim thick for good. And then Saturday, I'm actually going into DC with Sam because we're going to do the tea around town, like tour bus. I just finished filming a TikTok with this, and I kind of wanted to show you guys what's in my bag because I filmed the like Charlie XCX trend, and I was like, I kind of want to go in depth instead of going slim. So right now I'm carrying a Fooey, not a real Louis Vuitton. I actually ordered this off of a whim because someone had tagged me in Lemonade and said, can you try these? Because someone else posted like seeing dupes from Walmart.com. So this is my first time ordering a dupe like this, but honestly, I kind of love these bags. I got this in this color and I got it in a lighter color, and honestly, it's just the perfect size. And I'm not mad that it's a dupe, so I've been using this. I figured I'd start this vlog off with a quick, what's in my bag? It is a little hot though. Your girl can't wait for that fall weather. This bag has a little pocket in the back like most purses do, so this is going to be an unorganized what's in my bag because I literally just threw this stuff back in after filming it on TikTok. So in that little pocket I have French Benadryl from Paris. For the time I thought I had an allergic reaction while I was there. I have some hand sanitizer spray in lavender, of course. I have 2 versions of an EpiPen because your girl got allergies. 2 hair ties, a baby L'Occitane hand cream. Also, I just redid my nails for spooky season because I'm going to start filming Glamoween content this week. This is also by Pinky Promise, my new favorite nail brand. How cute are these? They're giving spooky witch. I normally would not do this shape or color, so I was a little terrified, but I kind of love it for this season. Glamnetic nail glues, because since I'm a press-on girly, you always want to make sure you have extra glue just in case. I have a Too Faced mini lip hangover treatment, and my favorite liquid lipstick of all time, cinnamon bun. Another hair tie. A lot of stuff in this pocket. A dollar bill. I have a Chanel moisturizer. This is a cleanser. I don't know why I have that in there. And I have my little travel earbuds for the plane, some bobby pins, and a cough drop. So all of that is in normally the front pocket. Very glamorous, I know. And I currently do not have like a tote bag purse organizer. I probably should get one for these bags, but I also kind of like the mystery of reaching your hand in and not knowing what you're gonna get. So in the main like big pocket, I actually already took out the larger items. I have this satin little knapsack that was from Crybaby. They're like a clothing and jewelry accessory brand, but I thought this was too cute, and I keep my extra vitamins when I'm traveling in here. So I have some vitamins I forgot to take the last time I was in New York, but I like to put them in there. I have a lip oil from Wonder Skin that was just loose. And then I have this cute little makeup bag that I ordered. It has little ribbons, little bows. And I tried not to overpack this bag, but she's overflowing, so I'm gonna go fast. I have a little rhinestone mirror, so it gotta be extra. I have a powder puff. I have some hand cream from Bath & Body Works, Into the Night. Ooh, she's kind of spooky. Perfect for spooky season. That was not planned. I have my Kissing Jelly Gloss by Too Faced. This used to be my favorite shade, but now I'm on the fence. This is grape soda, but today I am wearing their bubblegum shade in pink, and I like it, and I'm usually not a pink lip girly. I have a whole bunch of the YSL bombs just because I thought they were cute, so I threw them in this makeup bag. I have Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. some hand sanitizer and champagne toast. The Glossier birthdaybalm.com. I actually forgot I had this. I really like the scent, and I also love the scent of this. This is the Too Faced Hangover Pillow Balm in Fairy Vanilla. Any vanilla lip product I love. I have Rem Beauty lip liners that I thought I've been missing. I have the new Too Faced Born This Way Soft Blur Powder. It comes in clutch, honestly, for keeping you nice and matte. I have some Tylenol for when I get headaches on the go. A pen that says Boss Lady. A perfume that says Victoria's Secret Tease, of course. And then I have the NYX Brow Glue. And another hair tie. So all of these things are somehow magically fit into this tiny baby makeup bag. And the makeup bag I got in a set. You can honestly order this from Amazon. I've seen some like third-party retailers also sell it, but they always come in nice sets, so you have different sizes too. And then the little mini bag with my Fooey, I just put my pads in and some extra tissues in case I like need to blow my nose. And then I have my wallet, which just of course has all my cards. I also put my birth control in my wallet because you'll always have it on you. I have some Rem Beauty blotting papers that have come in handy since the summer was nasty outside. I have one claw clip and one silk spreadsheet. I have this, which honestly has made this bag smell really good, and I think I'm also going to spray my new jacket with this. But this is the perfume that I made at Olfactory. So if you live in New York, if you live in DC, I think they have other locations, but I know for sure those two locations exist. Or if you ever visit either place, they have Olfactory. I went to the one in Georgetown and I love my fragrance. I named it Reverie after my business and she smells so good. I think they said it has like a cherry base, which was surprising to me because I never go for fruity things, but I love her. I have my sunglasses. These are actually not my favorite pair, but I keep these because I know I'll never look for them, but if I need extra sunglasses, they're in there, so no shade to these, but they're aviators. I feel like they're not the most flattering for my face shape, but I think they are cute. They're by Dime Eyewear. I love their glasses, but I think Kate Spade still holds the top tier for sunglasses I own. I have a Tangle Teaser, a reusable mask. I have Icy Hot, which is low-key embarrassing, but I did include it in my TikTok. I was diagnosed when I was like 22 with costochondritis. I think it might now at this point be Tietz syndrome. Either way, it's like an inflammatory condition that is annoying because you feel like you're having a heart attack. And you're in pain, but it's like random. It's not always constant, but when it happens, I literally feel like I'm dying. So I use Icy Hot on my chest. I carry that around just in case I have a flare up and need it. I have this nail file that I got from a L'Occitane like PR that I've just never opened. So it's there if I need it. And I have a whole whopping thing of fresh cream. This isn't even opened. I think I threw this in because I didn't want to get an extra bag when I was at Ulta. I already had a tote bag, but I've never taken it out, but I kind of like the idea of having it, so I'm keeping it in. I have an Ana Luisa like jewelry holder, but there's no jewelry in this. I have a pair of blue light glasses, and then I have my Madame Lemmy. Let me tell you something. I don't like using this as my only deodorant, but when you are in hot, sweaty situations in the summertime, this comes in handy. But it's very lightweight, it smells divine, I feel refreshed whenever I put it on. But I did test it out when I first bought it just to see if it would be as good as my regular deodorant, but it's aluminum free and I feel like those never really work. I have a Chanel eye makeup remover, also I don't know why this is in there. And then I do have a mini lavender pillow spray that I mainly keep for, again, when I travel. I just never want to struggle to go to sleep. Concludes everything that is in my bag. So yeah, I think this is the only clip that I am going to include tonight, but I'll take you along my adventures for Friday and Saturday, see what other girly things. Oh, and I have to show you guys a new rug. I'm so excited, but I haven't figured out exactly where I want to put it. I'll show you guys that all tomorrow or Saturday morning, whichever morning I have more time, probably Saturday, because I'm going to be rushing out of the house tomorrow. Today is Saturday, and I'm a little sad, I'm not gonna lie. I am at home. It is 3 p.m. I was originally supposed to be going to a tea bus that I mentioned earlier, but unfortunately, I'm not going. Our fridge has been giving us issues, so we've been trying to get it fixed for a very long time, and the maintenance that our landlord assigns is never reliable. They were supposed to come between 8 and 12 this morning, so that way it would give me time to get ready, film some content, us leave, go to DC, and it is now 3 p.m. and maintenance still hasn't shown up. But they did call to confirm that they're showing whenever they feel like it. So unfortunately I had to cancel because I was just kind of like, we can't not have them come, especially since this is like our stuff in our fridge is literally outside in a cooler right now. Like, we kind of need our fridge to work. So I've been in a really kind of bummy mood all day. I did work on some content, but it's just been like, I cannot, as a Capricorn, handle when things don't go as planned. I literally have a whole list of things to do every single day, and whenever my list gets thrown off, I get like so overwhelmed. But I still wanted to vlog because I feel like that's not fair to you guys, and honestly it's kind of nice to sometimes showcase that like influencers aren't always going to things. Like, most of the time I spend indoors. I am cozy. I have a lot to be grateful for. I shouldn't be this frustrated, but I am so frustrated. So, and my room is a mess currently. You can't really see most of the mess, but there is a mess on my vanity as well from filming some content. So I figured that I'd clean up with you guys and actually put up my new rug. I just received a new rug from Yoolyn, so I am going to put that out. I figured I would have you guys clean with me. We'll try to get a cozy night in to make myself feel better. We'll figure out where exactly we want to put this new rug. And we'll be doing so in my new Halloween PJs. I got these shorts from TJ Maxx for whoever is curious. And actually I think this shirt is also from TJ Maxx, but this is old. It's an old Juicy Couture shirt. Some of my little rhinestones are missing, but it's still sort of a vibe. I absolutely love the rug that's in my closet. It's beautiful, but it sucks when it comes to cleaning. So I was really excited to try out Yoolyn rugs because you can see me breaking my back to get stuff off of this rug. So we decided to put it in our room. This is our space beforehand, and it's magical how much a rug makes a difference. The one thing I wouldn't recommend is putting a rug in when you have furniture in, so it was a little bit of a struggle for us to try and figure out how to logistically move things without moving everything and not break our backs at the same time. So we're unfolding this Yoolyn rug. This is amazing because it's a beautiful rug. It's great quality, but it's thin enough that you can wash them. So they have machine washable rugs. I think they also do have traditional rugs. I have a link to this rug in the description box for you guys to check out. I 10 out of 10 recommend because the rugs also have a grip at the bottom, so you don't need to worry about them moving around a lot once you place them. And look how much it changed the space. I thought it was so beautiful, and it's also Chester approved. So I have the link in the description. They're having a sale right now, and that will finish off today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, loves.